Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we open colors. Red color, blue color, yellow color, white color, light green color, light pink color, dark pink color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, silver color. The next one is brown color, and the last one is black color. First we draw A. Now we draw B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. Red color, purple color, orange color. The next one is black color. Kids, pink color, brown color, green color, blue color, white color, silver color, sky blue color, light pink color, light green color, and the last one is yellow color. Now we draw alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
H,
A, B, C, D,
I,
E, F,
J,
Q R S T U V W X
K,
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
L,
won't you sing with me?
M, N, O, P. Now we draw numbers. 1. The number of 2.
A B C D E F G H I J K
3.
L M N O P Q R S
4.
T U V W X Y and
5.
Z. Now I know my
6.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
7.
me?
8.
A B C D E F G H
9.
I J K L M N O P
The last one is 10.
Q R S T U V W
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.